What's up, gamers? It's me, Ace here, and it's After. Today we're playing Ticket. Yes. Hey, Ate, where are we? No. What? What? What cave? I'm over here. I'm in lava. In lava cave. Yes, you're right. I'm mining you. I'm gonna mine you. And you'll lose your money. Obsidian. Cause look, it looks like obsidian. It is obsidian. Look, but there's O. See?
Bukas, eh di mag-aarap-arap sila sa barangay. Ay, sila magbayad, eh, pinarangay sila.
Wala.
Tumatawag si Papa mo.
Snow. Go to sand first. Go to snow. Snow.
Ako, ang dami ng tawag ni Papa mo.
Okay, guys, today we're.
Go to snow. I'm at snow.
I'm already in snow, see?
Siguro, ano na to dyan? Ang dami ng tawag ni Papa mo, eh, wala ako eh. Ano magagawa mo?
Here. You're already at 18. Okay, guys, that's mine.
Hindi ba sa'yo tumawag dyan? Sa akin tumawag, ang dami ng tawag.
Ready to mine. Ready to mine.
Oh, ito na dyan, baka nahulog na to.
But don't go to my
Ano
space.
na? Wala ako eh. Kadadating ko lang, doon ako kila Bekbek, sa bahay nila Bekbek.
Don't go to my
Lilipat na sila.
space. I'm going to my space because my jackpot is here.
Hey, wait for me. Wait, I need to sell this.
Already got my jackpot.
Wait, don't get it all. I'm just mining here so you can go.
Yun na siya nagkano kay Ginting. Yung bruha.
I am making
Bruha.
a video.
Okay, can you mine those?
Ow! And why are you in me?
I need to go back. Wait.
Okay.
I was just in there so I could mine your thing. So you can't go to mine.
Okay, time to go to shop. Bye.
Ano yun?
I got my red. Ayate, I already got the red one.
The red spoon?
Yes, red spoon.
That's a weird spoon, the red spoon.
Come on, get your red spoon.
Wait, I'm making stairs.
If it's been made for.
Hey! Shoot!
I'm just riding you.
Hey, you're making us mine! Go in your space!
Thank you for the jackpot. Thank you for the jackpot.
It's right there.
And after, thank you for me for the jackpot. Thank you for me for the jackpot. Fish.
tayo na naman. Si Ace, ano yung mga ba tayo mag-connect Ace?
Wala.
Ano yung mga pinamakakonect din? Tingnan mo.
Hindi na wala. Eh, Ate, I already get the golden spoon. I almost now time to get. I'm gonna vlog.
Oh, asan si Kuya? Tawagin mo si Kuya.
Ayun, may kausap ako. Sino yan?
The golden spoon. No, I can't.
Oh my god, you have the cotton candy.
Eh,
Nililipat sila Pepsi.
Look.
Lalagay ko mga tusino.
Going now to the cotton candy.
wait, we're under the same road.
Yeah, we have the cotton candy one.
Oh my god, okay, guys. Cotton candy world. Wait, what? Not yet.
Wait for it. You need to reset. Do you have the golden spoon?
Yes.
Screenshot ko sa'yo yung mga...
You're not holding the golden spoon. You need to hold it.
Oh, okay.
Ha?
No, not yet.
Find another one.
Eto, dito.
I'll wait for you.
Screenshot ko sa'yo yung mga order ko. Ano pa ako?
Okay, let's go and sell,
Oh,
guys. So,
Send ko sa'yo yung screenshot ng mga... Yes,
oh,
okay.
40, okay.
We are the
I'll go first to the snow
Screenshot
one.
ko sa'yo yung mga bibilin.
snow.
Yes, because I'm still there.
Can't wait.
Kaya naman guys na ako.
Okay, okay.
I'm at snow.
Kaya mo daw, screenshot mo. Para malaman. Oh, tawag ka ni Papa mo. Ano daw gusto mo?
Gusto ko toy.
Sabi mo.
Gusto ko toy das pizza.
Just stuck a ice cream.
A plus, Ate, I'm almost gonna be low, but
Sino, paano mahina connection na
because I got.
Tatlo. Ako pa. Mahina ang internet na dito.
Yeah.
Ano, lobat na naman? Palitan lang sila sa charger.
Oh my god!
The mine has collapsed. How?
Palitan.
Yeah, candy.
Not
Na,
yet.
Yeah, snow.
anong charger?
Yep.
Yung isa?
Hey!
Ay, ano yun? Binabalik namin kay Gingging.
Yeah.
Kasi parang may diferensya. Pinabalik. Kapalitan. Sa ano yata, hindi pa kasi nakakapunta si Biason eh. Hindi pa nakakapunta doon sa Binilan. Parang may diferensya.
Just mind the top layer.
Kaya eto muna.
No! I can't.
Nakalimutan ko lang ha, baka nandun na. Hindi ko lang nakuha nung ano eh. Nung napunta kami.
Oh yeah, I can.
What?
Kaya
No,
ito lang muna.
I
isa
said I
ginagamit.
can't because I'm gonna buy the fork
Ito isa lang
now.
ginagamit.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna wait for you.
Okay, I'm gonna go to bed.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my dish.
Magapon yan, ganyan.
Quick.
Sige na.
And people will be jealous to us, right, Ate? They're gonna be, oh, I'm not dead.
Don't flex it.
I'm not gonna flex.
You are.
Justin is always doing fancy feats.
That's it. Yeah.
Not fancy. Ah! Super hard to control this. So,
Wow, that's really
Adam have long neck. Right, Tate? Adam had Justin He can't see because he got it on it.
Before finishing the first layer, let's do the second layer, okay? Okay, second layer time.
So,
Time for the second layer, Ace. Second layer, Ace. Come on.
Pwede hindi mo pa i-ano kay Papa mo, yung maghuhulog yata ngayon yan. Para malaman kung paano bibigay sa iyo.
I already got the original fork.
Okay, I'll get it later.
Nasa 5,000 yata yung test.
Yung
Pato, babe.
tattoo bed,
Ate,
Time to do the second layer.
I'm going to Country Candyland, but I can't.
Later, I think we can.
I'm gonna leave.
Wait, don't leave first.
This is all for the video.
Yeah, we need to stop it first because he's glitching.
Yeah, because I don't have. Sorry, guys, but peace out.